Well, hey there, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright, guys, so this is exciting. So I'm going to start doing spoilers for the AIA BeautyBundle Box. Now, if you don't know what that is, of course, I've done an unboxing on it weeks ago, and they are a bi-monthly box. I'll explain everything about them and show you some spoilers that are going to be in the August-September box. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on those spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some BoxyCharm possible spoilers from surveys. Well, thank you so much, Tony Michelle. And Tony's just waving at us. Well, hey Tony, honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. And I really appreciate you having your notification bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now let me tell you a little bit about this box. This is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle Box. Again, this is bi-monthly, so you will be getting this every 2 months. It is $34 for a value of $100 or more. You will get 5 to 6 full-size products every other month with free U.S. shipping. Now, I don't know exactly how much they charge, but they do ship international, so that is good because some boxes don't do that. Also, every box features a new influencer, so that's what I like about it. It is always one brand in every box, a brand that is owned by an influencer, which is very supportive. I really do love that about the box, and it's exciting seeing all these influencers come out with their own brands and everything. So this again is for the August and September box. So this box is featured with Purlisse. I love this brand. This is a beautiful skincare brand. Now, so Jennifer Yin is the owner, CEO of Purlisse, which I think she done an amazing job. She also owns AIA Beauty. So Purlisse is more like her skincare brand, and they have so many amazing products. I've loved every item I've ever got from Purlisse. They've also been featured in BoxyCharm, Ipsy, and all kinds of other beauty boxes. So I really do love this brand, and I'm excited to see what she's going to put in here. Now, we do have 3 spoilers that's been confirmed, and I do see a total of 6 items that's going to be in this box, so I can't wait to see what the other 3 is. So the first spoiler is the Purlisse Coconut Oil and Coffee Silky Body Butter. And then there is also the Purlisse Sugar Scrub. This is a coconut oil and coffee sugar body scrub. And then last but certainly not least is the Purlisse Pink Charcoal and Watermelon Face Mist. Guys, just as I was editing this video, they did reveal another item. So we have 4 items and 2 more to go. This is the Purlisse Watermelon Marshmallow Peel Off Mask. Guys, that looks amazing. I would love to try that. Watermelon and marshmallow, 2 of my favorite things. So again, guys, we have 2 more items to go. And it looks like they released spoilers kind of fast, so I'm kind of excited to start doing spoilers for this box. And again, guys, $34 for a box valued at $100 or more, and always with one brand and featured with an influencer that owns a brand is so exciting. Now they are going to be doing beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, all kinds of stuff, so I can't wait to see who else they feature in the box. I think that's more exciting than finding out what the actual spoilers is seeing who they're pairing up with. But I really do like that they're pairing up with Purlisse because I really do love that brand. So guys, of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll let you guys know. And if you want to check out AIA Beauty Bundle Box, I'm going to link them below. Again, go check them out, guys. This is a new box. It's really exciting to see all this stuff that they're doing. And I can't wait to see what else they do. And let me know what you think about those items down there, guys. Now let's go ahead and read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Cindy McKinley. Cindy says, wow, lots of stuff. I wonder how many will actually make it. Well, Cindy, that is the fun part about it. We never know what's going to get confirmed, and it's exciting to see one of those actually in the survey get confirmed. So I get so excited so easy. But Cindy, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, double check that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept the gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. Pretty soon here, I'm going to be doing an update video about what they've done at the heart specialist and all that good stuff. I was kind of waiting on a couple test results to come back, but I'll do a small update for those of you that are keeping up with my personal life. And again, I really appreciate anyone that has donated to help me out. I mean, I couldn't be more grateful for you guys. And I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.